kids! You're watching Fun for Kids Club. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's go! Hey, smart kids! Are you ready for some fun questions? Let's go!
What does a cow eat? Fish, bread, grass. Cows love munching on green grass all day. What does a sheep love to eat? Grass, pizza, chips. Sheep enjoy eating fresh green grass in the field. What does a horse enjoy eating? Cake, hay, meat, horses love eating dry hay to stay strong. What does a goat like to chew? Ice cream, popcorn, leaves. Goats love chewing on crunchy leaves. What does a chicken like to peck? Corn, donuts, chocolate. Chickens peck at yellow corn happily. What does a duck enjoy eating? Candy, grains, pasta. Ducks love eating grains near the water. What does a pig like to munch? Bread, fruit, vegetables. Pigs love crunching on fresh vegetables. What does a rabbit love to crunch? Cookies, lettuce, ice cream. Rabbits love crunching on fresh green lettuce. What does a donkey usually eat? Hay, eggs, chips. Donkeys enjoy eating hay in the barn. What does a goose enjoy eating? Burger, cake, seeds. Geese love pecking at tasty seeds. What does a turkey like to peck? Seeds, freeze, pancakes. Turkeys enjoy pecking at small seeds. What does a cow chew happily? Donuts, fresh grass, fish. Cows are happy when they find fresh grass. What does a goat enjoy as a snack? Apples, chocolate, cake. Goats love sweet apples as a treat. What does a horse eat for breakfast? Cookies, chicken, oats. Horses love eating oats for energy. What does a sheep enjoy eating? Candy, rice. Sheep like chewing on hay in the winter. What does a duck eat in the pond? Plants, pancakes, donuts. Ducks find tasty plants in the pond. What does a pig enjoy on the farm? Chips, ice cream, fruits. Pigs enjoy sweet fruits as a snack. What does a rabbit mostly eat? Toast, lettuce, bread, rabbits love fresh lettuce leaves. What does a chicken eat every day? Seeds, pasta, candy. Chickens eat seeds to stay healthy. What does a donkey enjoy eating? Cake, grass, pizza. Donkeys graze on green grass happily. What does a cow like to munch on? Ice cream, fish, Cows chew on hay when they rest. What does a goat like to snack on? Leaves, chips, chocolate. Goats think green leaves are delicious. What does a goose eat on the farm? Cake, grass, chocolate, geese nibble on the grass near the lake. What does a turkey enjoy eating? Chips, pasta, corn. Turkeys love eating yellow corn. What does a horse love to eat? Cookies, apples, pancakes. Horses love crunchy apples as a snack. What does a pig love to eat? Corn. Donuts. Bread. Pigs love eating corn on the farm. What does a duck enjoy? Chips. Cookies. Corn. Ducks love eating corn kernels. What does a rabbit eat all day? Pancakes. Grass. Chocolate. Rabbits hop around looking for grass. What does a sheep like most? Pizza. Burger. Fresh grass. Sheep love the taste of fresh grass. What does a chicken enjoy at feeding time? Corn. Ice cream. Fish. Chickens run fast to eat their corn.
Thanks for watching, kids. Great job today.